Good morning, students. In previous class, we have seen about the brief history of Unix, the actual subject, of Unix operating system, uh, or Unix and shell programming, just now started. Okay, so now what is Unix, or you may also call it as what are the advantages of Unix? Okay, we will see now. So Unix is as I said earlier, it is a multi-user operating system where the same resources can be shared by the different users. Okay, so what are the resources used by one person can also be shared by the other person. So Unix was developed in such a way that not only restricted to the single person, so it can be applicable for the multiple users having of multiple resources. That is the first and foremost advantage of Unix, or benefits of Unix. Second one is it especially designed for, or it provides multitasking or multiprocessing. So where what the purpose of multitasking is, where in each user or each person can execute many processes at the same time. So once again I'm repeating, multitasking stands for executing many processes or many tasks at the same time by the particular user. That is known as multitasking. So Unix operating system is a multitasking operating system. Not only multi-user system, it is also a multitasking system. And then third one is it was the first operating system that was written in a high level language. Okay, that is known as, especially the very famous C language. Okay, later on, the number of various languages were written in this high-level language, but the first operating system that was written in high-level language known as C language. That was written in high-level language known as Unix. Next, so it also provides a one specific hierarchical file structure. So by having some hierarchical file structure, most of us easily access and maintain in the data. So once again repeating here, Unix having a hierarchical file structure. That too which will having of easiest access and easily maintain the system. And coming to the fifth one, Unix has some built-in networking functions. So Unix operating system is also having its own impact in networking also. So most of the network related functionalities will be depend upon the Unix operating system. They will work depending upon the Unix operating system. So where different users can easily exchange their data or their information. Okay, in networking. The last one, or last but not the least. So in this Unix functionality can be extended through user programs. So it can have its own extension through the user programs. So though where those programs can build on some standard programming interfaces. So the large advantage of Unix is it having the functionality of extending of user programs which can be built upon some standard programming interfaces. So this is about what is Unix, or you may call as the basic the fundamental advantage of Unix operating system compared to the other operating systems. Compared to the other operating systems. Okay, my students. Okay, you should know. So this is what is Unix. In next class, we are going to look after a new topic. Okay, thank you.